All right, so hello everybody, and welcome to the trade of the day for the 3rd of the 10th. And today, what we're going to be looking at is a trade that took place last night and closed out this morning on the sterling New Zealand dollar pairing. So, jumping straight into it, as you can see, we have this big red arrow here, and that is pretty much literally what we need to look at when it comes to this particular style of trade. There's no kind of complicated continuations or anything else in particular. So, now that we've found this potential entry point in the market, what we need to do is kind of figure out a way of seeing how long we're expecting to stay in this trade just so we can constrain our risk appropriately. Now, looking at the left-hand side of the particular display here, we have the daily and the weekly momentum indicators. The daily is bearish. That is actually the direction that this trade is going in at the moment as well. And the weekly is bullish. And as you can see, after this trade finished out, we actually ended up going a little bit further along back up in that kind of original direction. And now we have that established, we just need to go to the trade mate feature, select the entry candlestick and select the candlestick in question. Now the indicator is pre-selected. This is the S4, big S4 above the arrow as well, just there for you. Now we have the short. We're going short. We're selling the markets. The ATR is taking a standard from the candle, and then select your brokerage. We're going to use standard to keep it simple for now, but that makes it a little bit easier for when you come to do this for yourself. So select your account size, calculate the trade details, and as you can see, it gives you a stop loss, a take profit, and a risk per point. This is presuming a 1% stake. That's what most people start with here at Trend Signal. So looking at the candle itself, we have a C value just at the top here. It is given to us as 1.96112. The take profit was 195.394. So we're looking at about a 72 pip profit here. So we can look at exactly where we came out of that trade. So 1.95, 1.9594. Zoom in a little bit closer. It's a little bit towards the bottom. 394. It's just about here. So as you can see, the candle went a little bit lower. The market also went a little bit lower in the next hour brackets. But we've experienced that surge back up to where it was going to originally. We've taken our profit. We're waiting for a more safer point to enter this trade and obviously make a little bit more profit. Now, if you're looking at making trades like this, I mean, this is one trade. We're taking 45 a month. We have 3 free sessions you can attend. We have a Tuesday and a Friday 12:30 or a Wednesday 7 p.m. where we go through the system. You get a chance to talk to myself and some of the other traders here. Hope to see you soon.